Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to study effectively from the Mohit Tyagi channel. To maximize your learning, start by watching the video lectures in their intended sequence. This builds a strong foundation. Remember to actively take detailed notes, pausing the videos as needed to ensure you fully grasp each concept. Immediately after a lecture, tackle all the practice problems presented. This immediate application reinforces your understanding and helps solidify the material. For truly effective learning, focus on understanding concepts deeply rather than just rote memorization of formulas. Always attempt every problem independently first. This critical step builds your problem-solving skills. Keep a dedicated notebook where you record key concepts, important formulas, and your solved examples. Regularly reviewing these notes and your problem-solving approaches is crucial for long-term retention and mastery of the subject matter. To get the most out of the channel, always follow the structured playlists. They offer a coherent learning path. Don't hesitate to engage with the community or comments section for any doubt clarification you might need. Make sure to utilize any supplementary materials provided, such as PDFs or assignments, as they offer additional practice. For challenging topics, revisit them multiple times until you achieve complete clarity and confidence in your understanding. Consistent practice is paramount. Aim to practice a minimum of 10 to 15 problems daily, covering various topics to keep your skills sharp. Regularly revise all previously covered concepts and different problem types to ensure nothing is forgotten. Crucially, identify and analyze your mistakes thoroughly. This is how you learn and improve. Finally, maintain a consistent study schedule, dedicating at least 2 to 3 hours daily for continuous progress and significant improvement over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.